This brick machine is a popular selling semi-automatic brick-making machine line. It can produce different size and types of hollow blocks, paver bricks, interlocking block, curbstone, etc. via changing different brick molds. QT4-24 cement block machine daily productivity is 4,428 pieces per 8 hours for 8-inch hollow block. QT4-24 cement brick machine line price is from $600 to $12,000 as per different configuration. The pallet size is mainly depending on the machine configuration. If using stacking machine, the 880 by 550 by 22 mm size brick pallet is recommended. If not using stacking machine, the normal size 850 by 550 by 20 mm size brick pallet is good to use too. This can also save some pallet cost.